In this video, I'll teach you how to use WhatsApp Broadcast. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then go ahead and tap on the plus icon that you're going to see at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to have all the options to create a new group, to add a new contact, to create a new community, to chat with an AI, or to create a broadcast. So we're going to go ahead and tap on new broadcast. Now you're going to go ahead and select all the contacts that you want to send a message to. Remember that you can select up to 256 people. Once you have selected your contacts, go ahead and tap on create. Now WhatsApp is going to create a new chat for you where you can type in your message, and this message is going to be sent to all the people that you selected. Now go ahead and type in your message, then you're going to hit send, and now all the contacts that you selected will receive that message. Hope that helps.